Hello guys, this is Rolling Quartz, A Roll of the Dice, their third mini album. This does have a song featuring Xian on it, I believe. But these cards came outside of the album. I'm not sure if it was a promotion that was going on or if these are just the cards that are supposed to come with it. I'm actually going to be seeing them this weekend on their tour for the first time. So it's coming in a box packaging like so. Oh, and we got photo cards in here. So that must be part of the promotion on the website. But we have the CD. We have some postcards. A poster and a photo book. We got one little picture with Xian right there. So we got a fortune card. I'm not gonna scratch mine, I'm just gonna stick it in here. And here is the photo card set that came with my album. So it looks like it's actually in the same outfits as these, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, thank you guys. That was just a short little unboxing of the Rolling Quartz album, and I'll see you later.